Introducing the WallArk series from SunArk Power, a versatile and robust solar storage solution designed for optimal energy management. The system offers 4 different modules from 5 to 10 kWh, which can be expanded seamlessly up to a substantial 100 kWh. This adaptability makes it suitable for various residential and commercial applications. Engineered to optimize longevity and performance, it supports an 80% depth of discharge for maximum utilization of stored energy and boasts a lifespan of 6,000 cycles. This durability ensures a reliable power supply over an extended period, enhancing the investment value. Moreover, the system is capable of a 1C high charge and discharge rate, promoting efficient energy management without compromising safety. Designed with practicality in mind, the WallArk features a fast installation process thanks to its plug-and-play interface. This streamlined approach minimizes setup time and reduces complexity, allowing quicker integration into existing infrastructures. With practical and technical features, the series stands out as a forward-thinking solution that addresses current and future power storage demands.